In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Intraday Renko Kagi, line break, and point and figure charts in Tradingview. Whether you're new to Tradingview or looking to enhance your charting skills, this step-by-step guide will provide the clarity and confidence you need to effectively navigate and use these unique, powerful chart types. First, head over to Tradingview and pull up any chart. In today's demonstration, we'll use the BTC/USD chart as an example. Seeing the chart, it might display the more traditional candlestick type, but don't worry, shifting to different chart types is seamless. Navigate your way to the chart type selector, commonly referred to as the bars section, found in your chart toolbar. It's typically located at the top of your chart interface. To begin, click on the Heikin Ashi option available in the drop-down menu. Once selected, the Heikin Ashi bars will instantly appear on your chart. These are great for identifying trends as they smooth out price variations and make price movements more visually descriptive. Next, let's explore Renko charts. Simply select Renko from the drop-down menu. And like magic, Renko bars populate the screen. These bars focus more on price movement rather than time, eliminating noise and making trends more apparent. Renko charts are ideal for traders who want a clearer view of the general direction without being distracted by smaller movements. Following the Renko setup, explore the line break chart by clicking on it in the same drop-down list. The line break bars will appear. These are very good for visualizing potential breakouts and support and resistance levels, since they only form a new line when a price change occurs that breaks the established trend. Next, opt for the Kagi chart. These visually display the price action based on predetermined reversal amount. When a trend reverses by the predetermined amount, the direction of the line changes, making it a powerful indicator of market sentiment. Now you might want to dive into point and figure charts. Click on this option and watch as your chart transforms. Unlike other charts, these don't factor in time. They focus purely on price changes of a specified value, offering a different perspective. Transitioning to the range chart extends your repertoire. Simply click Range in the same menu. Like Renko and other non-time-based charts, range charts concentrate on price movement and help identify trends without the clutter of time-based noise. Finally, to complement these charts, you might wish to adjust the time frame. Click on the time option in the top left and choose your preferred period, such as 1 day for longer-term insights or shorter periods for faster-paced trading. Once you've configured your desired chart and time frame, take a moment to review the chart. Look over the transitions and how these chart types display data. Each offers distinct advantages and can provide deeper insights into market behaviors and trends, tailoring them to fit your trading strategy. Stay curious and experiment to see what brings out the insight that aligns with your trading goals.